If you want to go ahead and then take notes in Google Keep, then what you can also do is you can add in an add-on inside of Thunderbird so that you can access Google Keep directly. So to do that, you need to go around onto the tools menu and then go to settings right here and then go around onto add-ons and themes. And over here, what you can do is you can search for add-ons. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in Google Keep right here and press enter. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it opens up Google Keep search in add-on. And here you can see that there's many different search results right here. For example, you can see that Google Keep tab is an option. So I can simply go around and add that to Thunderbird right here. And once I do that, I can simply go ahead and click on add right here. So once I go ahead on the top, you can see that Google Keep is an option right here. So if I were to go around onto Google Keep right here, then you can see that it actually accesses my Google Keep page right here. So I'm signed in with my Google account as well. So you need to be signed in with your Google account for that, and you'll be able to access your Keep notes just like this whenever you want. So I can go around over here and I can simply click on Google Keep, and then it simply opens that out right here just like this. And you can access out your Google Keep notes easily from over here. So I hope you found this video useful and learned something as always. So as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.